Menteri Rangba Kajala Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma uloong baga jingwan ra iki rel kit mar ken pynīohnong iki nongrep bat kin nong Kajala Meghalaya. Habakran sikilat patai kubor hadin ke jingwan yeshib menta ha ka dorbar kin nongrep ha ka sautre no pra arja apulai Menteri Rangba uloong baga sarkar jala kadang yakran bat ka sarkar India halor ketai kamat nolor ki wepat ki bayadan bentalang. Uloong bagi don ki basngok khia bat kumta ka sarkar kandang yakran sani bat ki banwan ra iki rel kit mar.
So we are discussing with Government of India on this matter and we have also discussed with stakeholders. So there are still concerns and therefore we are not able to take that forward. Goods train is obviously something that is very positive. It will really help the farmers and the larger society at large and it's something that we have also been very supportive of and discussed with Government of India. But we still have many concerns that are there. And I've been very clear from day one that till those concerns are not resolved, we are not going to bulldoze anything because yes, development is necessary, but it should be a development acceptable by everybody and we carry along everybody. So we will engage with the different stakeholders and see how we can take this discussion.